cream cheese icing. Let's make it. 1 cup of cream cheese. It's supposed to be room temperature, but I'm not going to do it that way. 1 cup of butter, also softened to room temperature. 1/4 cup of milk. 2 cups of icing sugar. Mix together using an electric mixer because it'll be easier. You can use a whisk, but it's not as easy. All right, there you have it. Let's test it to make sure that it's sweet enough. Okay, that's so good. That's gonna be so good on my cinnamon buns. I can't wait. I'll be putting them on in the morning. So, see you then. So it's not exactly the next morning. It's a couple of days later, and I unfortunately didn't get video of the client's cinnamon buns. However, I still have a ton of cream cheese icing. I also have some leftovers of the cinnamon buns. So, I'm just gonna put it on because I just warmed this up. And I know the cream cheese icing is delicious because, to be honest, I've already had a couple. Okay. I like a lot of icing on mine because I don't get this very often. My husband doesn't like cream cheese. It is so windy today. It is crazy. And there you go.